option trading course should be done by those people who have prior knowledge of identifying demand and supply. If you don't know how to identify demand and supply, then first you have to do positional trading course, in which we will teach you how to identify demand, supply, profit booking, and after that you want to do option trading course, you can. Because in the option trading course you will only be taught that if there is a demand, then these are 3-4 strategies, you do this. If there is a supply, then these are 3-4 strategies, you can apply them. Identifying demand and supply or profit booking will not be taught in the option trading course. Those things will be taught in positional trading course. After doing these courses, whether you will work in equity or in commodity or currency or in international markets, the implementation is same everywhere. The way of reading the price is same, because we use the current market price. We are following price. We are looking at the demand, supply or profit booking. So whatever the price is, whatever the chart may be, the name of the things may be different, but the way of reading the price and working remains same.